Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zayu Joy here. If you're new, hello. If you're an oldie but you're still part of the gang, or what's goody in the hoodie, sis? But as you guys see, or you saw when you clicked on this video, we're doing an extended jumbo braided ponytail. But yeah, guys, so right here you see me taking my braids out and Kiki Kian talking to Charlotte, or to Mia probably. One of those two. I'm over here, a Kiki Kian. Oh, no, they look like I'm talking to braids, y'all. But I'm so funny. So you see me here taking these braids out. They've been in here for a minute now, and this is a heatless style, you guys. And I kind of wish I would have blow dried my hair because it kind of curled up a little bit. Not a little bit, a lot. But that's okay. It was still a cute hairstyle, and this was my first time, and I think I did pretty well for my first time ever doing something like this. And I'm just brushing. I'm going to brush my hair out in the next clip, as you'll see, and I'm going to part my hair, and you're going to see me trying to slick this bad boy down. Slick it down. And when I start slicking it down, I'll tell you guys about the products I use.
I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Can't let this one slide. Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? I've been moving, kinda start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. and cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends.
Alright, you guys, so you see me here trying to split my hair up so I can, do it in sections to split it. This is some coconut oil I'm going to be using. And I'm also going to be using this oil from my site, tmelaninco.net, link in the bio. Use the code YouTube for some money off per. But anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and moisturize it. I try to use oil instead of using a cream or a gel. I try to do that instead of that so it didn't curl up as much. And as you see, I have a lot of shed hair because I had those braids in for a good hot minute, as you've seen how frizzy they were. And then next, I'm going to use my even edge tamer. You're going to see it here in a second to try to slick this hair back. I try to use some Gots to Be Free spray as well, but y'all, my hair ended up curling up anyway. But it still came out cute. Here it is. Look, y'all, $5.99, 24-hour edge tamer.
Saying either way we bout to slide. Can't let this one slide. Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? I've been moving, kinda start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna dive it in to miss me. Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I can see clearly when you're on myself. I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't.
Alright y'all, so my camera keeps dying. I'm so sorry y'all, but I tried to tie this down. I don't know how this is gonna look, but this is my little ponytail in the back, y'all. But what I went ahead and did was moisturize it, and I'm gonna twist it up. I do this with every, like, I've never done a braided ponytail, but like every time I do like a slick back, I never leave the back out, ever. I always twist it up to keep the moisture in, and I'm gonna twist it up pretty tight. The hair I'm using is this hair right here. Some jumbo silky braids. Hey y'all, so right here I'm feathering the ends of the hair, and also I would like to come up here and say I ended up braiding my real hair within the ponytail, so it wasn't good that I actually had my hair curly because you could kind of see the difference. So that's one thing I would definitely change. I know some people just wrap it around the little bulb, but I actually braided mine in. So if you do it like that, try to make sure your hair matches the texture of the actual braiding hair.
Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much.
Alright guys, so here I pulled some hair out that I'm going to wrap around the ponytail. I went ahead and just wrapped that around first, y'all. I was getting so frustrated. I tried numerous times to get the ponytail right, y'all, and it just took me forever. But I ended up braiding it in. I could have braided it probably a little bit better, but it still turned out cute, y'all.
Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in.
Alright you guys, so I'm on to the second bag of hair now, and I grabbed some, and what I'm going to do is braid that into the previous ponytail. It's really hard to explain. I feel like this hairstyle is definitely a visual type of hairstyle. Like, it's very hard to explain how to do it, but once you get it, you got it, sis. Once you get it, you got it, sis. So I went ahead and just kept doing that all the way down. All the way down, as you will see at the end. And this ponytail came out so freaking cute. So stinking cute, period. It kept knotting up at the end, so I had to cut it. But it came out very, very cute. I suggest you try this hairstyle, especially if you need a little something, you know. And for my first time, I think I did pretty well. So yeah, and I think this is the end of the voiceover. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Check us out on Instagram. Follow my business account and everything of that sort. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
saying either way we bout to slide. Hey, can't let this one slide. Hey, don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what?
I've been moving kinda so no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. and cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna dive in to miss me. Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my hands. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in.